Hello everyone, Lakurawa, Fulani, Lakurawa have done it again. They went to Kebbi State and by many people. We are just entering into another year, but they don't want to change. They want to continue this backbite of their people. But it will just remain for that side. I think there is no need to cross to the southeast. Don't cross to the south or southwest because this backbite you people are buying on yourself for that side. You think it should remain that way. This Lakurawa, I don't know what they call themselves. It's different from Boko Haram. It's different from ISWAP. This is a new set of people. Look at them. They have camera, they have gadget, they have everything. But what can the military do? They cannot track them. They don't have power to do that. They only have power to go and stop protests. DSS, they don't, their information is not for these people. The police, they are not after these people. Once they do their operation and they are left, they are to the forest before you see a military will respond. They are responsive and they are not proactive. Look at, they have go to the Kebbi and they buy many people in Kebbi State. Look at what they are doing. From one state, they move to another state. From another state, they move to another state. I beg, you cannot reach that sat. You better make people just be on a day so and begin to do whatever on like they do it on themselves. Because they brought you all this group from outside the country for Nigeria because of election. But right now to control them is not the problem. They don't even know how to disarm these people. Some say they should grant them amnesty. Some say they should pardon them. But this is a problem that Tinubu will be difficult to solve. He's trying to solve Boko Haram. He's trying to solve ISWAP. From nowhere, this group just came around. Lakurawa, Fulani. Look at their head. Look at the way they tie their head. You see them. This is how they want to destabilize the northern region. In fact, some villages, some states, they destabilize everything. And this is how they begin to operate. Next week, we will say here that they go to another place and do the same thing again. The military, they don't want to do anything because there is no oil over there. There is no roadblock over there for them to be collecting some money from travelers. Like this video and I will share more of this video. There is one a report that just came out now that the military just bombed some vigilante who want to respond to attack of this bandit. This video will come up later. Thank you.